Unity software stock, is it a buy or is it not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Unity stock is actually looking quite juicy. Just U, that's the ticker symbol. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of predictions, and all of it has been documented. Looking at the Unity software, we just reached new highs, so that's solid. So looking at this, I'm just looking to double down on this bullish market, right? So currently, it's pulling back inside some demands. Doesn't mean that I'm going to buy straight up on Monday, because, you know, the market is going to close in 15 minutes. So there's like no reason for me to force anything there. But what I'll care about is if I see the shift, then and only then I'll buy. And if I don't, then I guess it's not going to be something that I'll entertain. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.